everyone. Welcome to Drawing for Kids. Hopefully entertained and enjoy watching us today. Going to draw the very fresh ice creams. See to the end, friend.
The Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
See one ice cream already? It's time to draw an ice cream next to it.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man.
Finally, two ice creams have become friends. It's time to make this ice cream picture thicker so it looks even better. Let's go. Do you also want to draw this ice cream? Okay, let's watch this video so you can learn to draw this ice cream.
The Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Wow, amazing picture. It's time to color. Let's go.
Do you know
Brown.
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
Deep green.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
Green.
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yellow.
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Black. Turquoise green.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives
Red.
on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane.
Yellow. Turquoise green. Blue.
Know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man. Do you
To watermelon and rainbow ice creams.
on Drury
Thank you for watching the video this time. Hopefully entertained and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Yes,